In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on TradeStation. Since I don't have a full access to the platform, I've researched the process using TradeStation official documentation and general trading principles. So first, let's get started. Now, make sure you are on the official website of TradeStation and then log into your account. And then if you're using the desktop version, open the TradeStation platform. And then if you're on the web or mobile app, navigate to the trading dashboard. Now, to find the asset you want to trade, use the search bar to look up the options, futures, contract, or cryptocurrency you want to trade. And then click on the asset to open its price chart and or entry panel. Now, to choose your order type, click on the buy or sell button and then enter the quantity of shares, contracts you want to trade, and then select an order type. It could be market order, limit order, stop order, or OCO, or one cancel or others. Now, to set trade preferences, adjust time in force settings, and then this is optional. You can add stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. And after that, review and submit your order. Double check all trades details including asset name, quantity, order type, price, and then after that, click place order or submit button to execute the trade. And go to the positions tab to track your trade, and then you can modify, cancel, or close the trade based on the market conditions. And that's it. That's how to trade or how to place a trade on TradeStation. Since I don't have a full access, these steps are based on the research and standard trading practices. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.